pin back through so it's not flopping all over the place. Now obviously you can't run the I don't actually know what this does. Oh, it just pushes some tension up against. See how that works? This goes into here. So all that does is when you tighten it up, you're pushing this against here, and it makes it so it isn't rattling around. Okay. Eventually, once I finish with all these projects at this house and I get all this junk out of here, I'm going to try to fit that tractor underneath that space. I got to put a roof on it, or a ceiling on that though, because I'm not going to get my stuff all greasy. I mean all muddy. Okay, that was cool. Take the pressure off, nice and easy on my concrete floor. I'm done. Well, we're done with that. Now we put tools away so that I'm able to find stuff later. Starting with this socket. Which now has a bunch of grease all over it, of course. Remember, it's a greasy business. socket wrench. Wipe off that. Grease gun. A lot of projects going on, so my garage is a disaster, but that's okay. It's coming along. Open that up. I had another battery going while I was doing that, so that if the battery died, I would not be out of luck. All right, now I'm gonna turn these lights out, and I'm gonna go spend some time. Oh, I gotta get these paper towels. Learning how to edit video, because this is our first one where we're actually using sound and video together. So we'll see how it goes.